Many people will ask, how does iHelmet stand out from other laser hair transplant devices? The following 3 unique technologies are the answer. 1. Auto-Stable Energy System, ASE. Energy output for low-energy laser lights will gradually decrease with the length of use, temperature, and environmental changes. iHelmet prevents this reduction with its auto-stable energy system, which maintains stable output. Every time it's switched on, iHelmet senses the ambient temperature and automatically adjusts the duration for each treatment session in order to ensure consistent energy output. 2. Smart Accurate Area Treatment, SAAT. Every single treatment of iHelmet is customized based on the extent and scalp area of hair loss. It divides one treatment into 3. It emits the strongest laser to the area of most significant hair loss, while emitting the weakest amount to the fuller area. 3. Lmatrix technology, Lmatrix. Lmatrix technology has been developed by iHelmet to ensure that laser beams are evenly arranged without overlap, which is more effective than others. So start getting your thick hair back with iHelmet right here.